In the Collavate mobile version, you can find the link to License Center inside of the hamburger menu. Tap on it, and here is the License Center menu. When you tap on the menu, here is where you'll end up. Here you can see your renewal information, and you can even change some of the options here. You can disable the auto payment or change to a monthly contract. Below that is your payment method. You can add a new card, and when you do that, you can change your primary card on file. Below that is your subscription information. Here you can cancel the subscription and manage the subscription or download the payment history. When you tap on the manage subscription, you can change the number of the users and remote users. Finally, here is your billing details. You can edit this by tapping on the edit details button.